बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. How are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. This is DIY craft video channel, and this is all about craft work. So guys, in this video I am showing you images of macrame wall hanging decoration ideas. These macrame decoration ideas are super amazing and most beautiful wall hanging decoration ideas. This video is based on macrame wall hanging decoration ideas. +80 pictures are present in this video. The color combination of these wall hangings are outclass. These are very decent and very attractive wall hanging centerpieces decoration ideas. You guys hang these macrame in rooms, in living areas, in drawing rooms. You guys decorate your homes with these macrame wall hanging ideas. These are super amazing, super classy, and amazing collection. So guys, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. If you want different other craft work, then leave the comment in the comment section, and you can make these macramas at home. You can watch macrame wall hanging tutorials on YouTube and make these macramas at home. These are very unique and very classy and very attractive macramas images in this video, and I personally like these images or these macramas, and I hope so you'll also like these macramas images and the color combinations and the flowers. These are very attractive and very calm macramas. I like these macramas personally, and I hope so you also like these macramas. So you can must leave the comment section, comment in the comment section and tell me about which macrame you like, and if you want different other kind of images or craft work, then you also leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those craft work on my channel. And you guys also watch different other kind of craft videos on my channel about pebble craft, macrame ideas, and different other craft work. You can watch videos and also tell me about those videos. And if you like this video, you can also hit the like button, and you can also share this videos with your friends and with your family members or beginners who like these type of craft work. So guys, if you are new on my channel, if you are a new member of my channel, then please like the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates about my channel and more notifications about my channel, and you can watch those videos which will I upload on my channel about craft. So guys, I personally very thankful to you for supporting my channel. So take care. Allah Hafiz guys.